where it's hot in there. Okay, I can get to it. I'm not gonna take this one today. I still gotta test this one out in the rain more, man. The Expedition Electric people told me this is I-65 waterproof, except they don't warranty the electrical stuff, so tells me maybe I shouldn't be riding this in the rain a lot. But I can extra waterproof some of the electrical stuff on here if I have to. I don't think I ever need this stuff again, but I'll just keep it somewhere just in case I do. I got some little acid reflux there, but not too bad. Okay, so let's get this one on. This is the best way to do it, not the tie wire, because man, the tie wire holds, but this basket starts digging into your bike steel parts that it's rubbing against. Okay, that'll work right there. Could put it, yeah, I'll put it right there. Or this magnet, it's holding this piece pretty good in there. Okay, I got those on. Man, my strength is low today. Here comes the sun back out. It's only been for a lot of the summer, it's been pretty cool. And today's July 30th. And so August is coming in a couple days, so another week or two it'll start cooling down. The heart of summer or for sure after next month. Okay, let's tighten these up. Hello, Trey. Now I get this over with and get out of here and not listen to that anymore. So we keep this. Try to keep this on the bar. We needed like a flat 8th piece of steel in here, but this is what I had, so this will work. Get to the end of the thread on the top one there. That'll be good like that. Screechy wheels on that train. I should have got my earmuffs on to block out that noise. Okay, that'll probably be good. I'm getting close to the end of the threads there. Oh, my e-bike battery's fully charged. Almost out of here. I can go relax. Both of those were spinning there. Those are spinning, but they'll tighten up. There they go. So I didn't need that wrench, and that's it, people. Those are sturdy as heck now. So I'm off this GoPro.